If you want to set up SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer, and then over here you should be able to tap on the Samsung folder, and then in here you can easily find the SmartThings app. Now, if you open it for the first time, you will need to set it up, but it is very simple. You just have to tap on continue, then you can grant those additional permissions, and then we have the welcome screen where we get introduction to the SmartThings. You can of course check that out if you want to, or you can just tap on skip in the upper right corner. You can also grant the permission to location over here. I'm gonna use the precise location while using the app, and then also we need to allow the app to find, connect to, and determine position of nearby devices. We can also grant the access to notifications, and there we go. Now we have the home screen. In here, if you use this plus button in the upper right corner, you should be able to add a device, a service, routine, or you can invite members. So if you add all your stuff into your home over here, then you can invite other people that live with you so they can control your devices as well. Besides that, we can go to these devices section here at the bottom of the screen. In here we can find our, of course, our rooms. We can easily manage our rooms as well. So if you tap on these three dots here in the upper right corner, they can manage rooms and the devices, of course. So you can easily create new room in case you need to. And of course, if you press this plus button, you can easily start adding a device. So you can either choose Samsung devices or partner devices. You can also scan a QR code of your device if you have one. And also we can just scan nearby devices if they have like some sort of like a pairing mode or something. And then you should be able to follow the instructions that allow you to add your device. Of course, depending on what you want to add, you want to go through all of these different steps. And that is essentially all in the case of adding devices to SmartThings. You can also check out other categories that we have in here. We can also find routines, so you can add automations to your devices. So if you want, for example, to automatically turn on your TV at a specific time, then of course you can do so here. Maybe you can of course try to use one of these additional suggestions that you can maybe get inspired to add something to your home. And of course we also have the menu option in here in the bottom right corner, where you can find some additional options like, for example, companion apps, the voice assistant, the Android Auto. We can also find out how to use in case you need to get a little bit more information about SmartThings. And also here we have settings. And here in life you should also be able to get some of suggestions. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.